Thank you guys for 50 subscribers. This video is for you guys. The probability of me getting attacked by
A terminator.
is less but not zero. So what do I do to protect myself? I build a taser. Needless to say, do not try this experiment at your home. At the best case scenario, you will be dead. At the worst case scenario, you will be kicked out of your house. What is a taser? A taser is a kind of energy storing devices which has a capacitor which can store some charge and discharge at an instant rate. Police use taser to immobilize their targets. A simple taser can be built by using a mosquito net and making a few modifications in it, like adding another capacitor and adding a few diodes, and you will have a good taser at your hands. So let's see how to build a taser at a home.
Take the mosquito bat and throw the bat portion away. We do not need that at all. Now go. Oh, do not, I repeat, never hold the solder by its hot part. Now we'll talk how to make a taser. It has a battery, a charging port, a main circuit and an extra capacitor. The battery powers the secondary coil, which is a filter circuit, and then we have a transformer which steps up the current and a capacitor to store the charge. This is used to charge the entire circuit up. Now we will attach this second capacitor extracted from a light bulb so that we can increase the capacitance of the entire setup for a higher discharge. The pins will be helpful as a taser attacking point. Now we'll do the shadiest job we can do at soldering the capacitor to the main circuit board. Make sure it is in parallel to the other capacitor and you are done. Needless to say, if you are going to replicate this process at home, do not, and I repeat, do not by any chance try this on another person. This in itself might not be very harmful because it is very low frequency, even though voltage might be upwards of 10,000 volts. But I repeat, do not try this at anyone else at all. Even though this might not kill a person, this might leave serious burn marks, or if the person has existing heart conditions or health complications, something bad might happen. Now we will solder the pins. Wait, that's not a solder. Now let's charge it up. I charge the not a taser up for like 50 seconds so that it can hold a decent amount of charge. We will discharge it right now.
And that's how you kill a Terminator. Thank you guys. I hope you learned nothing from this video. If you like this video, give my channel a subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.